Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello. A really quick video today. We're right in the middle of the new build for my new office. So it's all a bit chaotic here, and if you're on Patreon, you'll know that I've been really busy sat just at my computer creating digital kits because drills keep going off, you know, off and on, and yeah, just filming's really difficult at the minute. So I thought I'd just pop on, show you this kit. It's available on Patreon. It will be in Etsy at the beginning of February, and this is what I'm going to be working on a Tuesday, on the Trash Tuesday. And last Tuesday we built this up. I did say I was going to ink it and stuff off screen, which I haven't, so I'll probably have to do some on screen. So this is the kit I'm using with it. It's called it's Fine Romance. I think in the shop I'm just going to call it Fine Romance, but its full name is It's a Fine Romance. I think it's 24 pages. Let me have a look. 20 pages plus 5 freebies. So yeah, it's 25. That's on Patreon. On Etsy it will just be the 20, and it is cheaper on Patreon, and I've put a low tier in on Patreon, so you can access the shop and messaging and, you know, the group chat. So this is one of the ephemera pages. We've seen this in another one of the kits. I think it was the vintage blue that I've been working on. So it's a pocket. You can take that off or keep that on to make it a bit more gusseted, and these tags fit in there. Obviously you could you know, cut all those tags to pieces, and you know, you could cut that down and have that as a tag as well. So that's that piece. So the next piece is a little fold up thing. You could either cut these up and have them as 2 journal cards and use this as some decoration, or you could do all sorts of things. You could use this as a flip. So this was a fold out. So you'd attach that on your page like so, and then this bit would flip out, or you can just fold it up. You know, it could be a journal card that you write inside it. You could add some papers to it. You could add some pockets to it. So some small pockets which will fit in there. I don't know if that one will. I think it will. But you could just, you know, take a slither off, and obviously it would. So we've got 3 pockets there, and then with some large tickets there. Okay, so that's that one. Then these are pretty similar, but these have got 2 flaps. So, but you could cut them in half. Again, you could use those as your journal cards. You could use them as flip outs. Then we've got some labels, and some you can either use those as labels or a strip of tickets. So it's quite a, what it is, it's a grungy one. We've got a big envelope there. I like doing the single envelopes because then if you do something 2 to a page, you obviously get these half size. I normally use my envelopes that way. If I did these 2 to a page, then I would use it that way, but you know, most journals, they're a little bit too big, so I tend to use that and use that to attach it to the page. Okay, so that's that one. You might want to print double print, same with these, or you can just cover them with book pages. So that's those. Got some really large vases, which you could use this as a page if you wanted, but I've done it so you can rip round it. If you're super good with scissors, obviously you could tear around it, but yeah, there's plenty of space to go around it and rip them. I'm thinking I'm going to put that on one of them on the front cover, or two. So yeah, I might use that one. That'd be really nice. Okay, so that's that one. And then we've got plenty of either rip outs or cut outs. And what I'm doing is I'm doing pretty plain kits as such, and then you can decorate them yourself. That's the way I like to play with kits. So we've got this lovely lady who's writing a love letter. So we've got different desks and a typewriter, some little wax seals and stamps. These you could write over them yourself if you wanted, or just, you know, keep them as decoration. So that's that one. I've done it on this background, so if you are ripping them out, you know, you've got some background and you've not got that white. So we've got some butterflies, and remember you can print all these 2 to a page, so you're getting, you know, half the size when you do that, which gives you a lot more you know, ways to play with things. So you could use these for all kinds of things. That would make a great tuck. I've done all these on card. You could if this wasn't, you know, if your card wasn't thick enough, you could obviously back it with something else. So yeah, they could be used as pockets or journal cards. You know, you could cut round and make it, square it if you wanted a journal card. And I suppose again you could use that as a page if you wanted. I have printed this on something else, but because they're going to be used and you're not going to see the back, I didn't think that mattered. So we've got some lovely envelopes, you know, faux envelopes with these pretty florals coming out. Again, can use them for all kinds of things. Got some tea sets with florals, and they're on like a tray all set up for tea. I've done them just 2 to a page so you can see the difference. So I think that's the cutouts. You'll have to excuse all my margins and things like that. So that's a William Morris S sheet. Again, I've done these on card. Same with that one. And that one, I've got some brown, and that one I've done mine on cream. If you wanted it, you know, lighter, then if you did it on white, then obviously it would be lighter. I think I didn't include that in the kit, but I have put it on Patreon. Then we've got these edges. You can either use them as, you know, side of your edge decoration, or as tucks. I've done them really as like a flip out. So we've got a hinge here. You could then attach another page to it so it flips out. So lots of different uses. You could even make these into tall, you know, bookmark type cards. So, and here's the journal pages. So I've done it that we've got some writing, and obviously you can write on these as well. Again, I've printed them on this is like a yellowy, I need to get rid of it. It's yeah, I don't like the colour that it makes it. So got another one, and got lots of blues in the back. Again, if you don't like it this dark, print it on white and it gives, you know, a whole different look. Got a little birdie and some flowers. And that's that. And then the others, I've printed them on this. I mean, you can tell that the difference just in that. So that's on that colour and that's on that. And look at how much paler it is. So if you did it on white, you know, it'd be that kind of difference again. So yeah, so I think I will be reprinting. I'd run out of ink there as well. Okay. Oh, that's a page in it as well. I didn't do that on card for some reason. And that one. And then we've got some what you can, you know, use for either backing or making your ephemera. There's lots of script in the back of there. This looks like it's burnt wood. Then I've printed the pages out two to a page as well, because if you remember the folio, I don't know if they'll fit actually. That one won't. Maybe, well, I can cut that down, and I thought they can be the pages inside one of those. So that's those. Okay, so that is that. So yeah, this is the only time you'll see me today, and I will come on tomorrow and do a crafting video, but yeah, I didn't have time today. So thank you very much, and thank you to everybody who has joined Patreon to use the shop. I really appreciate it. Obviously, you know, it's taken up quite a bit of time because I'm in the learning stages. There is now, let me see how many kits I've put on there. There is 7 kits on there. So you'll have seen the Meadow Mouse and the Vintage Blue, because me and Denise have been using them. The next 2 out are this one and Dark Days. I'll be using this one and Denise is using Dark Days. And then I've just put on Garden Gate, which is a cutesy spring bunny kit, which has got a main kit and an add-on. And I've just done the main kit for One Fine Day, which is it's a more grungy gardening one, but it's still cute. And that's the one I'm going to be using. And like I say, they're all up on Patreon now. Every time, you know, I do a spare sheet and all the rest of it, I've been putting them on as freebies and things, so it's well worth checking it out. So all my links will be down below. I hope everybody's doing okay, and yeah, I will see you very soon. Bye for now.